morning, afternoon, evening. So it's a beautiful day today, so I thought I'm going to use the opportunity to renovate my nuke box. So I built this last summer to catch a swarm. Threw it together with that old wood that was lying around. As you can see, the wood's a bit worse for wear. So I'm basically, rather than build a new one, to renovate that bit by bit. It's got some sides cut. I'll replace each side individually. Old beehive floor that I built last year, I'm going to repurpose to do my ends. And then the roof, what I want to do is with a bit of plyboard, put a bit of a lip around the edge of the roof. Move these runners up against this edge, so when that's sat on top, you have a standoff gap so I can feed fondant to a swarm when I catch it. Always drill pilot holes. Otherwise, you'll split your wood. Right, so that's one side done. Move on to the other side, and I'll start on the ends. Right, so that's both sides done. It's looking much better now, isn't it? I'll go away now, cut the pieces for the ends, measure them, cut the skirt for the roof. I'll bring you back. So I cut both my ends, and we'll stick some pilot holes in there. Right, that's one end on, and I'll move to the other end. This is the end of the entrance. So what I've done is I've drawn a line right down the centre of that to find the middle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this and attach the entrance hole. Just going to mark a circle off there. Then just going to remove this, drill my hole. Right, it's got our entrance hole drilled. The way this entrance hole works is you've got fully open, you've got ventilation for you moving the nuke. Around here you've got a queen includer. So you've just caught a swarm, you know you've got the queen in there, the bees can get in and out, but the queen's stuck in there until they get settled in, so you know the swarm's not going to bugger off again. Right, so that's our sides on, both our ends. Now we'll move on to the roof. This bit of wood I was using last year as a floor, beehive floor, so I'm just going to reuse this. So you're ready the right length, just need the space on the edge and a slight gap for this. Just about there. So that's the roof cut. Next thing I'll do is take some pallet wood. I'm going to cut the edges. I'll get those cut. Right, so that's the lid done. And one last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple bits of wood in here. Just give it a slight standoff above the frames, so there's enough space there to put a block of fondant on or something to feed them. Just to feed a swarm when I catch one. So I'll go ahead and cut those now. See what I've done there? Just two bits of wood so that when this sits on top, there'll be a gap above the frames, lay a block of fondant on. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give this a coat of paint, just to protect the elements. Once that's done, I'll give you a quick look at the final product. So there we have the finished product. So if you like that video, maybe give us a thumbs up. Think about subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.